Hey guys, today I'm doing a follow-up on my previous video where I showed you how to fix a leaking vented gas cap, and as you can see over here, this is my truck, and I've cleaned up all of the old marks where some previous fuel had actually spilled out, and therefore I can actually see if anything spills out now. So in order to test this, I'm going to have to take it for a drive. Okay, so finished the drive, and here you can see I can run my hand over it. There's no gas leaking at all, not wet, no gas smell. Pretty happy with the result.